In WordPress, turning on preferences allows you to customize the platform to better suit your needs, such as personalizing your dashboard or adjusting your user settings. Here's how to manage preferences in WordPress. Log into WordPress. Access your dashboard. Go to your website.com/wp-admin to log into your WordPress admin panel. Access user preferences. Navigate to user settings. In the left sidebar, hover over your username and click on Profile or go to Users, your profile. Adjust your personal options. On the profile page, you will find various options such as nickname, update your display name, biographical info, add or modify your bio, which appears on the front end, color scheme, choose a preferred dashboard color scheme, toolbar, decide whether to display the admin toolbar on the front end, visual editor, enable or disable the visual editor, save your preferences, save changes. After making your desired changes, scroll down and click Update Profile to save the new preferences.